Hello, my name is Alex Chen. Welcome to my 15112 term project video demonstration. So to run the game that I made, you click on Game 0 and you execute the Python file. And here's the main screen. The game is based on the Nickelodeon TV show Avatar: The Last Airbender. You can see in the credits, I wrote the game with Python, and the modules I used were tk-enter for the display and OS for the high score saving. If we go to how to play, we can see this is the character and you move around with the WASD or arrow keys. You point and shoot with the mouse, which will be a crosshair on the screen, and you want to kill all the enemies. This is the health bar, which gets depleted when you get hit by incoming fireballs. So let's start. Here we are flying along in the clouds, and oh, enemies are spawning. So what do? We shoot them with fire. We burn it with fire. You can move around to avoid getting hit as well, and I'll skip ahead so you can see the next levels. Okay, we've completed level 1, which is based on the amount of enemies you can kill, and once you get to level 2 you have another ability. This time, if you click and hold down the mouse, you can shoot a larger fireball, which will be indicated by the size of the crosshair. There will also be new enemies that are spawning, so we'll start that to take a look. If I click and hold down, you can see the crosshair get bigger, and then when I let go, you can see that I'm shooting a large fireball. This is especially helpful because they do a lot more damage and they can go through these small enemies. Here's the new enemy we see. They have a different motion pattern and they aim their own fireballs towards you, as well as having much more health. I'm gonna skip ahead again so you can see the final level. Yay! Once again, we get another ability after beating the second level. This time we get an air shield, which is used by right-clicking. And the thing is, you can only use this every so often, which is indicated by this bar, which charges over time. And here's the boss that you'll face eventually. So as you can see, I'll demonstrate the shield. Instead of getting hit, once I use the shield, it bounces right off, and then it takes a while for this to recharge. I'll skip right ahead to the boss so we can see what they look like. Okay, once you get to a score of 1500, you will start to encounter the bosses. So let me unpause, you can see them spawning. There's 5 of them, and they move together in this back and forth motion. And they have quite a lot of health, as indicated by the pink bars above their head. When they shoot at you, it can be pretty scary. So, there it is. You can see they shoot waves of fireballs right at you. And so that's when the shield comes in really handy. I'm gonna skip to when I beat the boss. Okay, so here's the final one. I've killed 4 of them, and that's no problem. Once I kill him, it says you win. This screen pops up if you've beaten the previous high score, which I guess I did. So you insert your name, and you submit it, and it shows the high scores. So this is my name, this is the score in seconds, because the high score is based on the time, and you can also reset it. I'll reset it, and then it'll show the default, and you can press R to go back to the home menu. And then you can play it again if you want. That's about it. Thanks for watching.